In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo, a popular tool for enhancing your marketing and sales strategies. This process is straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll have Apollo working seamlessly alongside your HubSpot account. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot trial guide. If you aren't already there, simply open your browser and head over to your HubSpot account to find the trial guide. This is where we will start our integration journey. Once you're on this page, the next step is to locate the marketplace button. Think of the marketplace as your go-to hub for finding integrations and apps to enhance your experience on HubSpot. Now, click on Marketplace. This action will direct you to a section where countless apps and integrations are available. It is structured to help you find the exact type of solution you're looking for. Once you've landed in the marketplace, your next task is to click on the Apps tab. This section of the HubSpot marketplace is specifically designed for integrations, and it will be the primary area where we'll carry out our actions today. Next, you want to type Apollo into the search bar. Apollo is a powerful tool known for providing data enrichment to boost your marketing and sales efforts. By typing its name into the search bar, you'll simplify the process of locating it among the many other apps available. Once Apollo appears in your search results, look for the option labeled Apollo Enrichment. Click on this option. Apollo Enrichment is the specific feature we're interested in for this integration. This choice is vital because it provides the data enrichment capabilities that can supercharge your HubSpot efforts by supplementing your customer information with additional data points. With Apollo Enrichment selected, it's time for the crucial step, installing the app. Look for and click on the Install App button. This will initiate the installation process, which HubSpot will guide you through with its straightforward on-screen prompts. This part of the process may take a few moments, so be patient and follow any additional prompts to ensure a smooth integration. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, Apollo will be integrated with your HubSpot account, ready to enhance your data with powerful enrichment features. You'll find that this integration allows you to gain deeper insights into your clients and leads, ultimately helping to drive better marketing decisions. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and that integrating HubSpot with Apollo enriches your marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more HubSpot tips and tricks.